Power steering fluid exchange is one of the most overlooked maintenance services. Penray 3902 two-step power steering fluid tune-up kit is compatible with most conventional power steering fluids. Protects and conditions the power steering system, keeps seals pliable and efficient, decreases heat and friction to prolong component life, protects against wear and corrosion, eliminates pump cavitation and slippage, reduces pump noise, meets specs of GM, Ford, Chrysler, and most domestic and foreign auto manufacturers. Before recommending a power steering system fluid service, visually inspect the existing fluid, noting the presence of contaminants. Using a test kit is recommended for this evaluation. If necessary, remove enough of the existing fluid to allow the addition of the 12-ounce Penray 3210 power steering fluid sealer and conditioner. Replace the reservoir cap and then start the vehicle's engine and run it idle while turning the steering wheel from lock to lock in each direction multiple times. This action allows the chemical to disperse and suspend contaminants for optimal removal during fluid exchange. The second step is to use a fluid exchange machine. Remove the existing power steering fluid from the reservoir and add new Penray 3964 premium power steering fluid until the full level is reached. Start the vehicle. Run it idle and again turn the steering wheel fully from lock to lock positions. Doing so will pump the fluid throughout the system. Repeat this process several times, removing old fluid and adding new power steering fluid provided in the Penray 3902 power steering fluid tune-up kit. The process is complete when all new fluid is installed. The new fluid in your Penray power steering fluid tune-up kit is compatible with most conventional fluids. Disconnect the fluid exchange machine and do a final test drive of the vehicle to ensure it runs properly after service. Check the fluid level after the test drive. In summary, performing this service will improve steering performance at all temperatures, protect internal components, and condition seals.